Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, I truly appreciate you for coming through, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. But today we're going to be taking a look at some of the specifications and expectations that are being highly regarded for the S22 Ultra, which is going to be revealed within the next few months, January close to February as well, with the 6.9 or 6.8 inch. The little one will have the 6.2 inch. It also will have a P-shaped camera system that we've seen on some of the leaks to house the cameras, but most likely it will be a look similar to the S21 Ultra, and the cameras will be a more improved version of those ones with the 108 megapixel ISO HMD3 sensor, which is going to be pretty cool. That was also found on the S21 Ultra. But this one will have the 12 megapixel with the ultra wide camera and dual 10 megapixel telephoto camera at 3 times and 10 times zoom. So it's definitely going to be pretty cool. It's going to look like the A32 camera system that we've seen on the entry level mid-range device. But these cameras will be packed with a lot of cool features. They will also pack the S Pen along with several different camera systems and hardware is going to be included with this thing. So obviously the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a really nice display at 120 hertz, and it will be able to go down to 1 hertz depending on the adaptive mode that they do, provide in this thing. But the S Pen will be tucked along the side right bottom corner, and it will be housed right inside of the phone, which is pretty cool, unlike the Z Flip that we did see that folded or something like that. But obviously this is going to be really improved, and according to the Ice Universe reveal, he did announce that 108 megapixel improved version of the HM3 main camera and the 12 megapixel 10 dual cameras with the 10 times and 3 times zoom. So like I said before, this is going to be the powerhouse for the Samsung, and it's probably going to be one of the best phones we've came to see when it comes to the camera system. But let me know what you guys think about this thing down below in the comment section, and I'll get right back with you. But if you want to subscribe and get notified and show your support, hit the like button as well as leave a comment, and I'm going to get right back with you. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Man, this thing is hot. This thing is dope, yo.